Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah F and welcome back to Sarah F TV. This video is going to be about how to slay ballet core, and of course I'm going to show you some ballet core inspired hairstyles, and I'm going to give you 4 examples in this video which are very easy and quick to restyle, and I hope I'm going to give you this inspirational feeling in your stomach and in your heart. Let's hop right into the video, but before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel, follow me on my socials, and let's start with the video. I've been searching on the internet for hairstyle trends for 23 and I found this ballet core style, which I really fell in love with.
So let me explain you a little bit more about the ballet core aesthetic. The main concept is about ballet, obviously, which contains lots of pastel colors, pink, beige and white for example. Also bows and flowers, fabrics like satin and tulle, which also emphasizes cuteness, softness and a kind of fragility and feminine energy in my opinion, but with a little hint of edginess.
So I got some hair bows, some. A cute pink one, a black one, and these. And I'm going to create some hairstyles with these bows. Yeah, let's start. Okay, I just flattened my hair with a flat iron and look how long they've become. In my case, it's mostly genetics why my hair is actually growing so fast. I have something in my mind, like something half updo with curtain bangs for the first hairstyle. Yeah, let's do this. If I do some hairstyles with bangs, I always separate them before I do anything else. I like to use double thin elastics just to make sure everything is secure. I like to use my fingers to separate. Some people like to use a comb. Oh, yeah, I mean, this one is cute already. Should we leave it like that? And here we are with the first hairstyle, with the first ballet core inspired hairstyle. Look at this one, guys. I think this one is super cute. Super cute. Oh, and by the way, I burnt my shoulder a little bit with a curling iron last week, so don't worry about this mark. Yeah, so let's hop on to the next one. We can also try it without bangs. Let's have a look how it looks like without bangs. This one looks like this in the back. It also has an elastic, so you can actually wrap it around your ponytail. But I think it's easier just to use this clip thing here. This one is also cute, but I think you have to do something with the baby hair in the front. The elastic shouldn't be seen, so let's hide it by just pushing it in here. This one is very elegant because it's in black and my hair is also dark, so it's cute and elegant and a little bit edgy. And for doing baby hair, I love to use this lash brush to get this little hair in place that are always like standing up. And just brush them down. And this one up into the ponytail. So this hairstyle looks more clean, not that messy. I think just easily brushed down baby hair is also emphasizing cuteness, because I mean it's called baby hair and babies are cute. So I think with curled hair it would look way more cute, but I have straight hair. So this is the second one, which is actually also very easy. I think this bow is giving me like a crown. It feels like a crown on my head. This is actually what our hair is about. Our hair is our crown. We can express so much of us. I've been wearing colorful hair for quite some time, and for me it was like just showing off to the masses that I don't belong to them. The rebellious teen Sarah, which I was until my late 20s. And now I'm literally like actually a little bit sick of all this hair dyeing stuff. I also really celebrate my natural hair color, even more the older I get, so wow. Wow. That's my cat approving what I'm saying. Right, Kato? No, he's actually just waiting for food. I've been feeding him way too much food. He was getting wet food 3 times a day. Then I saw a TikTok where cats actually should eat only this amount of dry food, and I was like, you see, Kato, this was way too much. Anyways, this is the second look. Would you wear this for a first date? I think this would be very cute. I mean, everybody can pull off this look. This is what I love about it. So what do you say to the second one? It's not a huge difference to the first one, but it's some kind of also is a huge difference. Okay, so let's hop on to the next one. What else can we do? I also saw balletcore also contains lots of buns and braids. And if you have seen some of my short tutorials, you should know that I fell in love with braids lately. The hairstyles I'm doing are actually all spontaneous. I know they should have been planned, but I wanted to keep myself this creative freedom, you know? I think I'm going to braid down here. And leave some hair outside, do some, what is it called? Buns. Space buns. With this very tiny bows with cute pearl in the end. So let's go for it. My first tip 101 for hairstyling, hairstyles and braids. Always part. I have to part my hair because if I don't part them, my hairstyle gets very messy in the end. So let's do this. Let's do a simple braid here. In Germany we call it, I forgot the German term. So I'm just going to show you. Bauernzopf. This is the German term for this one. Zwei Bauernzöpfe. I saw on the internet everybody is thinking that German is a kind of aggressive language, which you can actually pronounce very aggressive, but you can also sound very cute. So this one is called Bauernzopf. So I had to turn off my camera because it overheated again. Now we are here at this stage of this hairstyle. I just braided these 2 braids on the side. And now I'm going to little tail it in a bun, like this. Interesting fun fact. Did you actually know that everybody of us has one side where they have more hair than on the other? The left side is my more hair side. So these are the cute buns right now. I mean, this hairstyle is very cute already. It's also very quick and it's very easy. Now I'm going to add these little bows by just putting it around the buns. Down. Down. Yeah. Wow. This one is so cute. And here we have the third hairstyle. Yeah. But let's... This is my cat, I'm so sorry. Come here. He doesn't want to. Okay, so let's hop on to the 4th hairstyle idea. So here we are back at it again. And I was thinking about like something like a messy bun. And as you can see, I used to have a shaved undercut, which is so annoying. For the first part, and I'm going to pin these hair in the neck up. These are very good if you have thick hair and stubborn hair. This is actually also a hairstyle a real ballerina would do. This is cute already because it looks like a bow. I'm going to use this pink hair bow. Ah, this one is so cute already. Oh, yeah. And here we are. This is the 4th hairstyle, inspired by the balletcore. And here we are. This is the last one. It was so quick and easy. It's actually just a messy bun. Leave these strands out. And then you're done. I think this hairstyle looks like you haven't put any effort in it, but it looks effortless. One of my favorite hairstyles. It looks easy, and it was easy. I mean, this balletcore, this cuteness, this softness, feels like it's making me about 10 years younger. Yeah, but your age doesn't matter. You can wear whatever you want, whenever you want. Whatever your gut feeling is telling you. Well, okay, so, and this was actually what I wanted to show you in this video. I wanted to give you some inspiration for this balletcore trend. I wanted to show you how to slay balletcore hairstyles and how to create them. That's actually all. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I hope I was able to give you lots of inspiration and motivation to recreate balletcore hairstyles and slay this in your everyday casual look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to give you as much as inspiration I wanted to. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow me on my social. I've linked them all down below in the description box, and see you next time. Bye bye.